Hey, I got a Thrunite TT20 Tactical Desert Tan, a cool white flashlight in front of me here. This is a pretty neat flashlight. And by the way, if you were to look back at my videos, I love Thrunite. I've pretty much had every one of their flashlights. This light, we'll get into the specs. We're going to go out and shine it. Of course, good beam shots on it. That's what you buy the lights for. But you're going to get Thrunite's case, double clip to go on it, which I don't have on there now, and a lanyard, and then a USB charging cable. This is a double switch. You got your tail switch, and then your side switch here, and then a USB-C charging port. 2010 lumens and a max distance of 305 meters. I want to do is see what the heat, how it dissipates through this flashlight. This is a 21700 18 watt hour, 5000 milliamp. Basically got two ways to charge it. As far as runtime and everything on this, Firefly is 100 days. And to do that, you just click it on, lowest mode. Now that's only a half a lumen, it's pretty dim, but it is there. It ramps up, let's kick up into high, low, medium, high, 780 lumens for 4 hours and 20 minutes. So you're going to run, this is a pretty focused beam. Run that for 4.5 hours. If you hit the last one, that's turbo, 2010 lumens. That'll run for a couple minutes, then it's going to drop down to 600 lumens for about 3 hours. Build quality on these things is exceptional. Let's go outside, do some shining with it, and then I'm going to come in and put my thermal camera on it. Alright, here's this Thrunite. Not sure what mode I got it on. It's the lowest mode, it's not hitting them trees there. Next mode up, it hits that tree just good at 30 yards, 40 yards. And a bucket at 50 does a real good job actually. And this mode, upwards of 100 yards, easy, super long battery life with that 21700. And look at that. Is it going to hit up to 300? That tree line up there is about 320 yards away. And it does easily. And real wide beam in itself. Very pocketable light to put this much energy into your pocket. Look at that. I'm going to zoom in quick. There's a bucket or a barrel up there at 300 yards exactly, and you can see it. Super wide swath. Got a good spill on it too. Try to move this camera over. See it back there. That's pretty good. There's, I think, low, medium. Wow. Pretty cool, huh? And that there is at the highest mode. I think it is. Look at that. Very impressed. It is cold out. It's the only thing sucks living in Wisconsin. You gotta check this light out. Pretty awesome. Dual switch. Alright, like I said, beautiful beam pattern on that thing. And you're talking 305 meters. Right up to the edge of that woods. We're going to go right into turbo, and I'll probably just put the video up of it's in turbo. I'm looking at 82 degrees right now on the head of it. Yeah, it's up to 103, 104, 105, 107. So we're hitting about 115 degrees. $114. Well, now we're going. We got 121 degrees. Maybe I only had it on the fourth highest mode. Okay, it's dropping down. Highest it was 120 degrees. So, yeah, you can see the emitter dropping right down. So that's pretty awesome. You have that blue indicator for a charged battery. Thrunite, they make incredible lights. Check out, my other videos on Thrunites, and just, it's amazing how good this company is with their flashlights. You might not have a lot of gimmicks on them like other ones, but you're buying a light to be a light, and this is a prime example. Yeah, it does drop down, but it still throws real good for even on high. Super long battery life. Well machined. This is a beautiful light. Check that link out down below for this light. You'll be impressed. There you go. Thrunite TT20. I do believe that's called the tan upgrade. Till next time.